Here's another useful Revit feature. Let's say I have a certain grill or any other element in Revit, any family placed in the model, and I want to find it quickly in the project browser. Going through all the families and categories here to search by name takes a long time. So we select the element in the model, right-click, and use the command Find in Project Browser. Presto, there it is. There's our diffuser. We can edit it, rename it, or reload it from the library if its file path hasn't changed. That is, if your database is stored in the same place, you can update it quickly. If it can't find the file, it will ask you to select the library where the element is located so you can update it if there were any changes. I hope this was useful for someone. Subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of interesting stuff ahead.